Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to design a electric motor in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
Let's start. First of all, we have to make a stator. So for that, click on this new button and then double click on part. From here, click on front plane and then sketch on it. Draw two circles and define them by small dimensions. This diameter is 30 millimeter and this diameter is 60 millimeter. Now go to features tab and select extruded boss base command and extrude it up to 60 millimeter. Press OK button. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing this button or Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard and draw a rectangle like this. Now define it. This dimension is 2 millimeter. Now select a point and drop it on this quadrant. Now define again. The distance from this point to this line is also 2 millimeter. Press escape button, then press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select this midpoint. And then select this origin, make their relation vertical. Now go to features tab and apply extruded cut command. Cut it from throughout and press OK button. Now click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and select circular pattern and then drop down these options. From here select extruded cut. Click on this box for pattern axis and then select this circular edge. Quantity is 50. Press OK button. So rotor is ready. Save it. Now click on this new button again and start from a new part. At this time I am going to design or draw a shaft. Click on front plane and then sketch. Now draw a sketch by using line command and start it from origin. Now define it by using smart dimensions. So diameter of this length is 12 millimeters, so the radius is 6 millimeter. This is the bearing size, which is 15 millimeter, so the radius for this size is 7.5 millimeter. This radius is 10 millimeter and at the end this radius is 15 millimeter. Now press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select both of these lines. Make their relation equal and collinear. Similarly select these lines. Make their relation equal and collinear. Also for these lines it is equal and collinear. Now define the length. This is the bearing size, so its length is 10 millimeter. Define this length, which is 30 millimeter. Also define this length, which is 20 millimeter, and this length is 60 millimeter. So this is the sketch which is fully defined at the moment. Now go to Features tab and then apply a revolved boss base command to it. Select this line as axis of revolution and press OK button. This is the shaft. Save it. Now start from a new part again, and this time we are going to design a bearing. So click on front plane and then draw a center line, start it from origin. Now draw a line and we need one more rectangle. Click on this line and make it vertical. Now select both of these lines, make their relation equal and collinear. Similarly, select all these four lines, make their relation equal. Now define them by using smart dimensions. This diameter is 15 millimeter. It will be the bore of the bearing or inner diameter, and this diameter of the bearing is 30 or 35 millimeter. This length is 10 millimeter and this length is 3 millimeter. Now draw a center line and start from this midpoint to this midpoint, and then draw a circle started from origin. Now define the diameter of this circle. It is 8 millimeter. Select this command, trim entities, and trim these extra lines. Press OK button. Go to Features tab and then select Revolved Boss Base command. Select this line as axis of revolution and press OK button. Click on front plane again and then sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard. Then change the shade and draw a circle on this origin. Define it. 8 millimeter is the diameter of this circle, and then draw a line. Start it from this quadrant to this quadrant. Now trim this side of the circle. Press OK button and go to Features tab. Again select Revolved Boss Base command. At this time select this line as axis of revolution and press OK button. Now change the shade once again. So here is the ball. Now click on this arrow in below the linear pattern button and then select circular pattern. Click on this box and then select this circular edge. Quantity is 9. Press OK button. So it is showing an error, only merging feature may be patterned. So for that, scroll down and then click on this box bodies.